Guys, back with another video. I really have no clue what we're doing, so yeah.
As you can see, we're in our dad's office and it's raining. Probably.
Oh no. Really, Jake?
When did it get long? We're gonna have to break in there.
What?
Just I think I got a key. Told you I knew it. Maybe not. He went in. Off this one. I'm trying to go deep in the rain. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh, they didn't go in there at all. Okay, now try the yellow one. Bro. Alright, now we have 3 more attempts. Or else we'll have to send Alex out there.
What?
Go look at the front door when it's raining.
No. No. No.
Last one.
No.
Wait, there's more keys in here.
Oh. Because there's always more keys, Jake.
These are car keys.
I ain't going out, you know.
Here's another yellow key. Okay, guys, this is gonna be our episode. Us trying to get into here.
And it's not gonna.
Show them the big old camera scene we have.
No.
We got a whole camera thing of everybody, so you can see everything.
And then right here you can see us. And then the hallway.
Right, just
Black. Office.
Just get a whole thing. You don't need to go there.
Alright, let me get back here then.
I'm not gonna watch it.
Can't see us now. And that's the camera. Pause if you would like. If you want to. Yeah, so
It's not budging.
oh no. I don't. This is. You want to see my cup?
You can go in there, but well, it looks like we're not going back there. It's locked. So now
There's not really cool in there anyway.
Now I don't know what we're gonna do. And looking here for any extra keys, but we're not seeing any. Let's see. We gotta get a bit before Mom can come. We could try to pick the door.
Actually, according to my calculations, this is not home.
Should I pick the door? I don't know how to do this stuff. I just did it. Come on.
I've never done that in my life.
It's still locked.
How are we gonna get it? Oh.
And we're back.
How are we gonna get it closed?
Look, you can shake the door. It is locked. I did not think I could do it. Okay, come on. I just wanted to show you guys that key. As you can see, this is a very tight closet. Come on. and you can hear the rain. Look at these random buckets full up here. You got the computer back here or whatever. Now we're gonna open the door.
No.
And just get come here.
I'm not doing that.
We're gonna open the door. And we're gonna just look outside. Look at it. All the rain. You can't really see anything right now. Well, that's where we are. There's a bicycle. Okay, that's about it. There you go.
Oh, we got that open. Is that all for the video?
Look. Now it's unlocked. We're gonna walk it back.
How are you gonna close it though?
Yeah, come on, let's just do it again.
Huh?
We're gonna try to lock pick it again. I did not think that would actually work. See? Look up. It is locked. You can shake it, you can shake it. Shake it. You shake it. Alright, now watch. Camera. The haggard thing.
Now you're just a master at it, bro. I'm scared for my room now.
Wow. That's good.
Oh, that's where you're putting it. In your phone case?
Yeah. I don't know how long we have it tomorrow.
Probably like a few minutes.
We could do something. What could we do? I mean, I did just
Show off my super cool drawing.
Oh, she's here right now. Let's pull up the camera.
She's
In
here.
the first camera. I think that's her pulling up right there. Get on the first camera. Get on the first camera. Did you just end it? Okay. See that?
Ooh.
I think that's her right there. She's coming super slowly. We'll wait to get a text from her. Oh, is that her? She's pulling up.
That's her.
Guys, look, I just got a text.
Oh.
Here. Alright guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Well, that was our vault. That was our little vlog. Alright, peace out.